What's going on YouTube? Techlos back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the GeForce GTX 1070. This is the final decision for the rig that I built, or the new PC, excuse me, that I built. And, had a lot of conflict with which, board I was going to buy, which GPU I was going to pick. I knew that I was going to go for NVIDIA because I'm kind of a Team Red person. My other build that I have downstairs, my home theater PC, is AMD. So I knew I was going to go with NVIDIA, but with the shortage of graphic cards right now, I didn't want to pay the overpriced, tag for the 1080 Ti. So I decided to go with the 1070. I was able to get a good deal on my journey to get this because, again, with the shortage of graphics cards, I did pick up a couple of GTX 1060s just to have one in the new build, and I was testing one for mining. So I'm probably going to put the other two cards that I bought inside my mining rig. So yeah, I'm super excited to have this. Again, it's the NVIDIA GTX 1070. It's got 8 gigabytes of GDDR5, and that's 256-bit onboard memory. PCI Express 3.0. It's got the NVIDIA Ansel, NVIDIA SLI Ready, NVIDIA G-Sync technology. It's running with DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.5 support, Vulkan API, right? And it's the Founders Edition. It's funny because up until now, my favorite color is red, so I really like the AMD cards, especially the Radeon cards. But having this graphics card is an experience in itself. I mean, as I pull it out of the bag right now, just with my hands on it, you could tell that the quality is there. I mean, they put a lot of time and planning and development into this card, and the aesthetics are pretty nice once you have it in your hand. So again, super stoked. It's got this back plate. I've actually never had a GPU with a back plate, so this is my first. So top tier card, VR ready. It's definitely going to push 4K, and when you really break it down, compared to when you get up to that top tier, right? There's tier 1 and tier 2 these cards are in, going up against on the AMD side, the Vega. It's definitely going to push my rig to where I need to be. So super stoked. Going to do a quick install here, and I will see you guys in the next video.